Hello, dear student. Good morning, everybody. Student, you all are welcome in online classes of social science, especially in geography classes. Dear student, we were studying in previous class about a location of an industry. Dear student, in location of the study, we were discussing about the different factors. Dear student, all the factors I have categorized into two parts. First is geographical condition. First is geographical condition. Second is non-geographical factors. Geographical factor and non-geographical factor. A student, geographical factors, it includes availability of material, availability of water, and good climate. Right? We can take an example of good climate. Okay, because availability and water and availability of raw material, it is easy, and in previous class we have also discussed, but I have not discussed about the good climate. See, if we establish an industry in Rajasthan, in Rajasthan, right, what will happen? If we establish a cotton industry in Rajasthan, it will not be developed in Rajasthan, but if we establish in Maharashtra, in Maharashtra, है ना, or any other coastal region, है ना, in any coastal region like coastal region, है ना, in this local location, then it will be developed more because it required moist climate, and due to the oceanic climate, this region is a moist and threads do not break, है ना. तो राजस्थान, this portion will not be suitable. Gujarat, this is a coastal lines, it is suitable for the cotton mill, right. So climatic condition is also required, right. Next is non geographical factor. It includes availability of electricity, cheap skilled labor, transport, communication facilities, market, है ना, capital, see, capital investment and suitable government policy. All we have discussed. Dear student, see, the we all the factors are for industries, that is communication, transport, land, power, raw material, labor, capital, market, and water, right. All are essential, and I have given a center location by drawing a, a triangular shape, a rectangular shape. I have written over there, I have said you that in center industry must be located, because from the every corner essential factors must be available, right, and there will be industry, right, it will be developed more, right. So with all these factors, we'll move towards the other part. One thing, the one point has been given in your book. See, this is a word is agglomeration. Agglomeration economy. See, this is agglomeration economy. Agglomeration economy. What is agglomeration economy? The so many industries if the all the factors or if the all the facilities are available in the market, and due to the facilities, so many industries develop together, come together, develop together, and all these are getting benefits of the facilities, then it is called the agglomeration economy, है ना. Agglomeration का